don't do nothing like to clean their house.
Okay, and how do hoarders sleep?
Sleep like
They sleep against the wall?
yeah.
Why do they sleep against the wall?
Because they don't have no rooms or no beds or no house.
What's all over their house?
Garbage.
Yeah, and are you going to clean your room now and not let it look like that?
I'm not gonna let it look like that. That's Pecky crazy. Now look their house.
I know.
It's Pecky crazy. And if somebody rents their house, they can live in a different house and they have to clean it though because they don't know how to clean it. Oh, I saw them lazy. Is it done? It's still messy. They never clean it up. They just go to bed, wait, and then sit down, and then when it's night time, sleep, and then you wake up.